Hi gardening friends, my name is Lark and I'm in Wisconsin, Zone 5. I'd like to show you one of my tips for this week's Tips and Techniques Thursday. And what it's going to be about is twigging. You'll hear on some of my videos, my Tea Time Tuesday, I talk about twigging. And that's supporting plants with my dead branches from spruces, bushes, trees. I prefer the spruce branch because it is flat and you don't see it. So what I'm going to do is take this Gloriosa daisy here, and I don't want it leaning into the path, so I will measure and see what height branch is best. You know, like this here would not be good. Okay, I don't want the twigs showing. So this one here will be perfect. And I will usually do this after a rain. It makes it easier to press into the earth. So I push down, make sure that it's supported, and then I weave the flower in the branches a little so you can't see the twigs so much. Okay? Let's do another. And I can walk down this path nicely without hitting it. Okay, this is another one right here. The spiderwort. Spiderwort loves to flop. So, here I go. See the spiderwort flopping over here? And see the blue bottles? It's hanging over the blue bottles. So again, I'll measure it up, see if it's about right. Yeah, it is. This'll do. And I'll push it into the earth. Okay, and I don't like that flat look. So what I'll do is weave a few of them around the twigs. And then, if it's too tall, like I don't like the twigs showing on top, I will just prune them off. Here's another one. Okay, let's do one more. Back up. Can you see how clear the path is looking here now? You see this here? You can see the stones. I'm not hitting it. Let's do the rose campion. Again, let's measure it up. I don't like that one. Too many twigs. Okay, this one looks good. So I'll take the rose campion, hold it up, push the twigs next to the plant, push it in, and then weave the flower in and out a little so it's not so noticeable. Then I will take my pruner, prune off some of the obvious branches, and that's good. Now, while I'm down here, I want to show you something else that I do. I carry some of my tools with me. This one here is my turkey fork. It was straight. This is a thrift shop find. I think 10 cents I paid. And then I bend the tines. Take it on the cement and bend into it. Now I got a hook. And I see some plants growing in these cracks here. Here is some sorrel. See how I got that out? Again, I'll bring you closer. I stick the tines into the earth and then just wiggle it back and forth a little, and then the weeds come out, or the flowers. And then you can cultivate the soil with the tines also. So tip 2, a turkey fork for a weeder, 10 cents. Thanks for showing up, guys. Bye-bye.